Hi everyone. Why I am doing this video? Because I am flooded with messages that sir, we are unable to study. This is the message I am receiving from students. We are unable to study. Why? Because of this new pattern or something new pattern of online examination, we are unable to study. Let me ask some questions first. Please answer from your heart. Question number 1. Are you confident or are you prepared for the October examination? This is the first question. Are you prepared? Are you confident? I am asking about all the subjects. If you attend or going to attend single group, I am asking about the 4 subjects. Or if you plan to attend both of the groups, I am asking about all the 8 subjects. Are you confident? Are you well prepared for the examination? This is the question I asked all the students who messaged me, sir, we are unable to study. The majority of the answer of the students is no. The majority of the answer from the students is no. No, sir, we are not prepared. Then I asked them another question. There are resources available in the institute website, that is workbook, RTPs, MTPs, previous year question papers, and obviously our study material. This is the resources available in the official website of ICMAI, and this type of questions are asking in the examination, that we all know. I asked them, these resources, are you prepared from these resources? Prepared from these resources. Some of the students till now, they don't know what is workbook. They don't know how to download the previous year question paper and answers. So obviously their answer for this question, are you prepared? Are you done questions from these resources? The answer is no. Majority of the students' answer is no. So why I am asking again or asking this type of question is because the pattern of the examination is not our problem. Because we have issues, students have issues, some case studies are asked in the pattern, so our concerns are mailed or informed to institute. The final decision will come from the institute side. We done our part. We faced some issues. Some students faced some issues. They mailed to institute regarding that. These are the issues we are facing in the model examination. So please consider it. So the final decision will come from the institute. So we done our part. Let's wait for the institute side. But that doesn't mean you have to skip these questions. If today the exam of one paper, let's say costing. If today is the examination of costing, are you confident to say that I will pass even if today the exam is conducted? The answer for majority of the students is no. Then how can you, or how can the pattern of examination will affect you? Because you are not prepared for the examination. August is near to the end. We have September in our hand and also October in our hand. October 21st, I think October 21st is the examination starting date. So let's say we have 1.5 months in our hand. Please study and make a schedule for the study. Divide entire days into 4 subjects or let's say 8 subjects and plan your study, and please use these resources for your preparation, because for us institute is providing these resources, and in examination question will come from these resources. I am not saying 100% of the question will come. Let's say the model of the pattern of questions. The problem regarding the pattern, let's hope for the best. Understand the institute will always do something good for the student. So institute is introduced a new pattern. We have some issues. We mailed, we informed through social media, through email, through message. We informed institute, and let's hope for the best. That's we have done our part. But study you have to do. You have to prepare well for the examination. Please make this suggestion as a motivation for your study. If you are not started preparing, please start today itself. 1.5 months is there. Schedule and plan your studies accordingly. Okay. So all the very best. Please start studying. If you started your studying, please make sure you have done enough revisions for the examination. Okay. Thank you.